Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Okafor Marycynthia. In today's video tutorial, we're going to be talking about a new web hosting domain company that I discovered, and after evaluating it with the other hosting companies I've used, I see that their service is good, their customer service is also good, and their service fee is on a very low side. I mean, considering the rate of domain renewal now and the cost of buying new domains and hosting in Nigeria right now, or any part of Africa that you are right now, you know that everything went up, especially with this whole inflation and all. So I'm going to be showing you a domain company that I recently came across, and I've used it to, buy 3 years hosting, and so far so good. It has been serving me right. If you're interested in knowing about this web hosting I'm talking about, drop interested in the comment section. Let me know that you are interested in it, right? So let's jump in right into it. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, do well to hit the subscribe button and also like this video so that more people will get to, come across it, watch it, learn from it, and probably, cut down their cost of, domain purchase and hosting, right? So let's get started. What's the name of this hosting company that I'm talking about? The name is TrueHost, right? TrueHost is a domain hosting company in Nigeria, right? Like the owners are from Nigeria, but they are also partnering with a US company. So um you can see that this company, they are very reliable. They are partnering with a US company, a very strong US domain and hosting brand, right? So their service is very okay. I've never had any downtime with them, and that is the reason why I am sharing it with you guys on this channel, right? So let's jump in right into it. Let me search for it, right? So you can see this is TrueHost Nigeria. You can see TrueHost Nigeria provides personalized hosting services in Nigeria, befitting each of your needs. If you are looking to scale operations from where you are, blah blah blah. So let's click on it and get started. All right, so this is the TrueHost domain URL, truehost.com.ng. You can see their special offers, right? And you can see what their packages looks like, right? Yeah. And sincerely, this is what their packages truly looks like. Yeah. So let me just go straight into what we are here for. The first thing first is you need to register on this TrueHost account, right? So what you need to do is just to click on register. After you've clicked on register, you're going to put in your email and your password, right? So I don't know why it's taking so much time to load. I hope you guys are following. If you're following, do let me know in the comment section. All right, so you can see you just have to, put in all your details, your name, your company address, your company name is optional, right? So your address, your city, your state, your postcode, and how did you find us? His name must you can decide to skip that, right? Then you accept their terms and conditions by clicking I have read and accepted their terms and condition. After you must have put in all these details here, you just click on register, and it's going to take you into their um dashboard, your homepage, right? Then you can now go ahead to start um buying your domain and hosting. Then I'm going to go back to the interface, right, to start my domain registration. I want to just go ahead without logging in. right? Or maybe let me just log into my old profile. So after you must have created your account, you just log in. I'm not going to be creating a new account here. I'm just going to log into my um old profile. Before that, let me check something, okay? Oh. Alright, so I've put in my username and my password. Let me log in. I hope the password is correct. Why is it taking time to load? Oh, my password is not correct. Alright, let me just log into my account and continue the video. Alright guys, so I've logged into my account. You can see I'm using one of their services and one of their domain, right? Alright guys, so once you have registered your account, the next thing you need to do is log into your account, and after you have done with that, right, just click on pricing, right? This is it here. Click on pricing. Let me check something here. Okay, click on pricing and you select web hosting. When you select web hosting, you're going to be seeing 14,000 naira, 1,000 naira, 1,400 naira monthly, 14,000 naira yearly, right? So you just click on this just click on this TrueHost Silver SSD hosting annual 14,000 naira. You just click on it, right? Click on order now. When you click on order now, it's going to ask you whether you want to register a new domain or you want to transfer a domain from another website to their website, right? Right. So okay, so this is it. Depending on the domain you want to register, let's say we want to register Cynthia's training, Cynthia's training .com.ng. Now, if you are getting a domain, if you are getting a domain and hosting, 1 year hosting, they are going to be giving you the domain free of charge, right? So you just click on check. I believe it's going to be available. Okay, so you can see Cynthia's hosting is available, right? So just click on continue. Click on continue. And you can see we're almost done. Very simple. So now this is what it looks like when you are buying annually, right? Now when you want to pay for 3 months, sorry, 3 years, is going, you are even going to get it at a cheaper rate. The one I got, I actually did for 3 years because I don't want to come and be renewing it every time. I just did for 3 years because it's actually cheaper, right? If I'm buying for 3 years, I'm paying 991 naira per month. If I'm buying for 1 year, I'm paying 1,166 naira per month. So 35,000 naira, let me just call it approximately 38,000 naira for 1 month, is at a steal price comparing what my other domain companies like Domain King. Domain King is this 35,000 naira is even below what you're going to use and renew just your hosting, not top of your domain, right? So a company giving me this amount for 3 years, I don't even need to think about it twice before paying for it. I got it and I'm still enjoying it, and that is the reason why I am making this video, right? So after you must have gotten your sorry, after you must have selected the one you want. But for the sake of this tutorial, let's just assume that we are going with the 12 months plan, which is 14,000 naira, right? We click on continue. We click on continue. So you can see it has DNS management, ID protection, email forwarding. See, for instance, guys, if you add this ID protection, it's going to add an extra 1,500 naira to your billing, because it helps to keep your details safe on who is actually a website that you can use to check who registered a domain, right? But if you put ID protection in your billing here, right, um that who is will not be able to reveal to outsiders who actually registered that domain. That is the essence of this. But if we don't have any need to hide it, especially when you are people who do this most times are people who maybe are into scam and other stuff, right? So I believe we are not into that, right? So no need of hiding it. But if you have an extra 1,500 naira to pay, I did this for my own. You can as well do it for your own. So that is it, right? So you click on it and click on continue. So you can see who is protection is 1,500 naira. This one is free. This one is free, right? So you can see everything. Just what we just want to do is to scroll down and go to checkout. You just want to check out, right? You just click on checkout, and it's going to bring us to this place where we'll choose our payment method, right? So just click on complete order. If I go to the terms and conditions, uh, click on complete order. And it's going to redirect you to where you're going to either use your card or choose Flutterwave to do your normal bank transfer. I'm not going to be paying for this domain because I don't have any need for it. So you can see, click on pay now, and it's going to give you an option for transfer. All right. Then you make your transfer. Let me tell you one thing so that you don't go and get frustrated. After you make your payment, you have to, give them some time, at least 1 hour before they will send you your hosting. You can see. So you just do normal bank transfer. You click on pay, right? Click on pay. They will give you the account that you transfer to. When you're done with the transfer, you click on I've made my transfer, and you can see here, once you transfer, you click on I've made my transfer, and everything will be successful. They will send you a mail via your email that you just purchased the domain, right? Then after some time, they will send you your WordPress username, your cPanel username and password, right? After they must have sent you your cPanel username and password, you have to log into your cPanel, right, and install WordPress. Then after you are done installing WordPress, I'm going to have to say this thing so that I don't go and start looking for how to figure out a lot of things, because when I actually tried doing it, it frustrated me somehow. But I finally figured it out, right? So now let me show you guys. After you must have installed your WordPress, there is a setup you need to do. You need to install your, I think it's called STMP or something. Let me see. What was the meaning of STMP? Yes, you need to install the simple mail transfer protocol. If you don't do this thing and someone fills a form on your website, your email is not going to be receiving it, because you don't have this simple mail transfer protocol for them to be able to transfer mail from your website to your email, right? My previous hosting company actually has this automatically installed, but I noticed that this one doesn't have it, and it is not too technical. All you just have to do is maybe I'll drop a link on how you can actually do this in the comment section. Sorry, in the description of this video. Another thing again is you need to, from your what are they calling it, from your cPanel, you need to create a webmail. You need to create a webmail with the password of the webmail, right? So that you can be able to, put it on your website. I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to actually send a video, a guide actually on how you can actually do this part of the setup. I'm going to drop a guide I got from the TrueHost support when I was trying to figure it out on my YouTube description, so that you can be able to actually do this setup without it actually confusing you or even complicating things for you. So I hope you got value from this video. If you have any question, if you have any issues trying to set up this TrueHost, you can do well to maybe contact their support or send me a message, so I will see if there's any way I can help you out. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, do well to let me know. And also, if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. At least I believe you learned something from my video today. So do well to, hit the subscribe button, and also share this video to some of your friends that are looking for affordable domains that they can use for their e-commerce business, for their information marketing business, and for whatever business at all that they are running, right? So see you on my next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. And again, last but not the least, if there's anything you want me to talk about on this channel, don't hesitate to let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to try as much as possible to make a video on that for you. Yeah. Thank you very much. Bye.